The digital age has opened up numerous avenues for making money online. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or build a full-time career, there are many legitimate opportunities available. Below is an overview of some of the most popular and trusted methods, along with guidance on how to access your earnings. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Common freelancing services include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. How to get started. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients. Create a strong profile that highlights your skills, experience, and past work. Bid on projects or set up gigs where clients can directly hire you. Most platforms offer multiple payment methods, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, or Payoneer. Payment thresholds vary by platform, but earnings are typically released once you complete a project and the client approves it. Online tutoring. Online tutoring allows you to teach subjects or skills you're knowledgeable in to students around the world. This can range from academic subjects to languages, music, or coding. How to get started. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kids specialize in different types of tutoring. Some platforms may require you to have teaching credentials, while others only need you to prove proficiency in the subject. Set your availability and connect with students who need help during those times. Earnings are typically paid out weekly or monthly via bank transfer, PayPal, or other methods depending on the platform. Affiliate marketing. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. How to get started. Join affiliate programs through companies directly or via platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Promote the products using blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. Use unique affiliate links provided by the program to track sales. Earnings are generally paid out on a monthly basis, either through direct bank deposits, checks, or PayPal, depending on the affiliate network. Selling products online can range from physical goods to digital products like ebooks, courses, or even art. So how do you get started? For physical products, you can use e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. These platforms make it easy to reach a large audience and manage your inventory. If you're thinking about selling digital products, consider using platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own website. These options provide great tools for delivering your digital content to customers. Now, if you don't want to manage inventory, dropshipping might be the way to go. This method allows you to sell products directly from suppliers to customers without ever handling the goods yourself. To drive traffic to your store, use social media, SEO, and paid ads. These marketing strategies can help you reach more potential customers and increase your sales. And finally, accessing your earnings is straightforward. The money from your sales is typically deposited into your account on a regular basis through bank transfers, PayPal, or other payment gateways. Content creation, including blogging, YouTube, and podcasts, is a fantastic way to generate income. By creating content that attracts an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. How to get started? Well, you can start a blog on WordPress, launch a YouTube channel, or kick off a podcast on platforms like Spotify. For monetization, you might want to use Google AdSense for ads, affiliate marketing for recommendations, and Patreon for audience support. And remember, consistency is key. Regular content creation is essential for building and retaining an audience. When it comes to accessing your earnings, well, earnings from ads and sponsorships are typically paid out monthly via direct deposit or PayPal. Remote work and virtual assistant jobs offer a great opportunity to work from home. Many companies provide remote positions in customer service, administration, or tech support. To get started, check out job boards like Indeed, Remote.co, and FlexJobs for remote job opportunities. If you're new to remote work, consider taking courses to build relevant skills. When applying, tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your ability to work independently. Regarding accessing earnings, payment is usually made through direct bank transfers, PayPal, or other standard payroll methods, depending on the company. Once you've started making money online, Accessing and managing your earnings is crucial. Here are some common methods. First, PayPal. It's widely accepted by most online platforms, and you can link your PayPal account to your bank account to transfer funds or use PayPal's debit card to withdraw cash directly. Next, direct bank transfer. Many platforms offer direct deposits to your bank account. This method is convenient and usually involves lower fees than other payment options. Then, there's Payoneer. It's a popular option for international freelancers and online sellers. Payoneer provides a prepaid MasterCard and allows for direct bank transfers. Cryptocurrency is another option. Some platforms and clients may offer payment in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Just ensure you have a digital wallet to store and manage your crypto earnings. Checks are also still an option for some companies, though this method is slower. Once received, you can deposit the check into your bank account. Lastly, e-wallets and mobile money. In regions like Africa and Southeast Asia, mobile money services like M-Pesa or e-wallets like Skrill are popular for receiving payments. Making money online offers flexibility and a wide range of opportunities. Whether through freelancing, tutoring, content creation, or e-commerce, there's a path for everyone. With the right approach and consistency, you can build a sustainable income stream online. Just be sure to choose legitimate platforms, safeguard your financial information, and stay informed about payment methods to ensure smooth and secure access to your earnings.